When the world was built, it wasn't shaped by comfort. It was carved from fire, grit, and determination. It was built by those who rise before dawn, who shoulder the weight of hard work, and who keep going long after the sun sets. Ironbull was made for them. Every weld carries purpose, every bolt holds a story, every trailer that rolls off our line is more than steel. It's a statement that strength still matters, that pride still exists, and that craftsmanship isn't a thing of the past. Through sparks, through noise, through sweat and steel, we build more than machines, we build trust. Because the people who use our trailers don't ask for easy, they ask for something that lasts. Something that won't quit when the job gets tough, when the roads get rough, when the weight gets heavy, when the job demands everything you've got. Ironbull stands ready. It's not just about hauling, it's about holding up when everything else breaks down. We build with heart, with pride, with iron, because we know what it takes to earn a living the hard way. We know the satisfaction of seeing a long day's work pay off, and the pride of owning something that works as hard as you do. This is for the welders and the builders, the haulers and the hustlers, the men and women who never stop pushing forward. You deserve strength that lasts and value that makes sense. That's why we do what we do. To deliver more than a trailer, to deliver a promise. Ironbull, built for the bold.